6 proven strategies to build multiple passive income streams and achieve financial freedom. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms? If so, building passive income streams may be the key to achieving your financial goals. Passive income is income that is generated with minimal effort on your part. It can come from a variety of sources, including investments, rental properties, and online businesses. By building multiple passive income streams, you can create a steady flow of income that can help you achieve financial independence and live the life you've always dreamed of. So how can you build passive income streams and achieve financial freedom? Here are 10 proven strategies to get you started. YouTube. You might think of YouTube as a place to watch funny cat videos or keep up with the latest music hits, but did you know that you can also make money on the platform? Yes, it's true. YouTube can be a lucrative source of income if you know how to monetize your videos. Here's how to get started. Create a YouTube channel. The first step to making money on YouTube is to create your own channel. Choose a catchy name and a memorable logo, and make sure to fill out your channel's About section with a brief description of what you'll be posting. Choose a niche. To be successful on YouTube, you'll need to focus on a specific niche or topic. This could be anything from cooking and DIY projects to gaming and music. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large, engaged audience. Create high-quality content. To make money on YouTube, you'll need to produce content that is engaging, informative, and entertaining. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-quality camera and microphone, and take the time to edit and polish your videos. Monetize your videos. There are several ways to monetize your videos on YouTube. One option is to enable ads through the YouTube Partner Program. When you join the program, you'll be able to display ads on your videos and earn a portion of the ad revenue. You can also monetize your videos through sponsorships, merchandise, and by promoting your own products or services. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without ever handling inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order on your website, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Drop shipping is a popular way to start an e-commerce business because it requires minimal upfront investment and allows you to sell a wide range of products without having to worry about storing or shipping inventory. If you're interested in starting a drop shipping business, here's what you need to know. Choose a niche. To be successful in drop shipping, it's important to focus on a specific niche or product category. This could be anything from beauty products to outdoor gear to home decor. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large, engaged audience. Find a supplier. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find a supplier that carries the products you want to sell. There are a few different ways to find suppliers, including online directories, wholesale marketplaces, and by contacting manufacturers directly. Make sure to do your research and choose a supplier that has a good reputation and reasonable prices. Set up your website. To sell products online, you'll need a website where customers can browse and purchase your products. There are a few different options for setting up your website, including using a platform like Shopify or building your own website from scratch. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your business and budget. Market your business. To make money from drop shipping, you'll need to drive traffic to your website and convince visitors to make a purchase. There are a variety of marketing strategies you can use to promote your business, including social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization. Experiment with different tactics to see what works best for your business. By following these steps, you can start a successful drop shipping business and make money online. It may take time and effort to get your business off the ground, but with the right strategies and a little bit of luck, you can turn your drop shipping venture into a profitable and fulfilling business. Invest in rental properties. Owning rental properties can generate passive income in the form of rental payments from tenants. Consider purchasing a rental property and using a property management company to handle the day-to-day tasks of being a landlord. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks can generate passive income in the form of cash dividends. Look for stocks with a history of steady dividend growth and a solid financial foundation. Invest in a high-yield savings account or CD. A high-yield savings account or CD can generate passive income in the form of interest. Look for a savings account or CD with a competitive interest rate and consider laddering your CDs to maximize your returns. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, such as Lending Club and Prosper, allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more money-making ideas.